In today's video, there will be some cleaning motivation for you. I'll also be showing you the cutest and coolest bird feeder I've ever seen. I'm also going to be trying out a new makeup primer. The girls got a new de-shedding tool, so I'll be testing that out on them. I got some new Dossier perfumes and colognes as well. And I'll be taking all of my Halloween decor down from my balcony, which I didn't want to do, but I had to. So yeah, let's get this video started. So I'm starting off with some cleaning today. I already had my coffee and breakfast this morning, but I haven't done much of anything else, so I'm going to start off in the kitchen. I'm going to unload the dishwasher, hand dry the dishes, and then reload the dishwasher. And yes, my dishwasher still isn't drying, and no, I haven't called maintenance to fix it just yet. I'm just going to roll with it for now, but I'll eventually get around to doing that. And now I'm just going to give my countertops a quick cleaning. I'm using some Mr. Clean mixed with water in a spray bottle and a paper towel. Convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe, but still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. So now I'm using my Wet Vac in here to clean the floor. I got this Wet Vac from AliExpress. I ended up giving my other one to my mom because now that she's in her mobile home, she has a lot more cleaning to do, because if you guys remember, she was living in an RV, which wasn't too much space to have to clean, but now she has a lot of space to clean. So I figured I would give her my old Wet Vac, that way she won't have to do too much. It's so much easier to just use a 2-in-1 because then you don't have that much work to do. Moving on to my bathroom now, I'm going to clean my mirror quick, and I drew that heart for y'all because I love y'all. And then I'm going to wipe off my countertops, clean my toilet bowl, and then use my Wet Vac in here as well. I didn't clean the shower or the tub today, mostly because I didn't feel like it, but I was also kind of in a rush, so I didn't want to do any deep cleaning. I'm just doing a quick cleaning in here. But I did clean the toilet more detailed off camera. I just didn't film it because a lot of you don't like to see that kind of stuff on my channel.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial.
Moving on to the living room, I'm gonna wipe off Grandpa's table quick and the top of the TV table and straighten up the blankets and pillows on the couch. Then I'm going to be lint rolling the rug and the couch before I vacuum. The vacuum works great and picks up the cat hair, but you can't beat this lint roller. It picks up so much cat hair, it's crazy. So I like to use it in my daily routine now just to make sure I get a good amount of all of the cat hair that's on the floor and the couches.
'Cause you can make it too. If not, says who? Something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt.
So now I am lint rolling the other couch in the office area, and I'm going to vacuum the rug here as well. And I'm also going to use my Wet Vac on the rest of the floor, which I didn't film, but I did film me using it behind the couch where the bar stools are and the litter box.
And I said,
so now it's time for some lunch. I'm making some bacon and eggs for me and my hubby. And yes, I called it lunch because I already had breakfast way earlier today. And Alan isn't an early eater, so we're just gonna call it lunch. But I air fried the bacon again and I scrambled some eggs on the stove. And as usual, it was delicious. So now I'm gonna brush my teeth and use my water flosser and then take a quick shower, but I ain't washing my hair today because ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, I just got out of the shower. I'm gonna apply some toning oil quick to my face, do a little skincare. So I'm in a little bit of a rush. I'm trying to get done because I have some errands to run. So I'm probably not going to film a whole get ready with me. I don't want to bore y'all anyway. So I'm going to be doing my makeup. But before I get started with that, I did get another package in the mail. So this is from Dr. Brandt and I already opened it. So this is the product that I got. I'm going to be testing this out for the first time today and I'm going to tell you all about it. This is the Dr. Brandt Pore Refining Primer, and you can find it right now at Ulta. It's called the Pores No More Pore Refiner Primer. This product is great for large pores, clogged pores, oiliness and shine, and uneven texture. It helps to minimize the appearance of pores without clogging them, helps diffuse fine lines and imperfections, absorbs excess oil, and literally creates the perfect canvas for makeup with a soft, matte, flawless finish. It's non-comedogenic, sulfate-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free, and synthetic fragrance-free. It gives instant results upon application, but it's supposed to help with the appearance of pore size after just 2 weeks of use. I'm gonna give that a little bit to just set on my skin, and then I'm gonna go in with foundation, blush, contour, bronzer, probably all of that stuff I usually do, eyebrows, and then I am gonna be putting on some mascara. So far, this looks really nice on the skin. The texture is wonderful, love it, but I want to see what my skin looks like after I put foundation on. But honestly, it looks really nice. Like, I am not a primer type of girl. I don't use a primer, and I especially don't ever use like a pore filling type primer, but so far I like this. With just one application, I feel like my skin looks so much better, but we'll see what it looks like after I put the makeup on, because that's what's gonna make the biggest difference to me. I can honestly say I am loving this one. My makeup looked flawless after using this. I highly recommend this product if you need something like this, and I'm definitely gonna continue to use it. So now it's time for the dossier haul. I have 5 in total here, and most of these are for Alan, so if you need any guy recommendations for dossier, Alan can definitely help you there. The first one we're starting off with is the Sage and Black Tea Renew. This is from Dossier's Wellness Collection, so it's an original and not inspired by any perfume in particular. It's very fresh and clean smelling with a slight spicy tone as well. The scent notes are star anise, bergamot, cinnamon, violet, cardamom, clove, tea, sage, palo santo, and Amaris wood. It's very different and unique. This is the powdery tobacco. Alan is obsessed with this one right now. He thinks it's the most perfect fall scent. The notes are tobacco, ginger, apricot, honey, vanilla, cocoa, tonka bean, dry fruits, and blonde wood. Next up is spicy vanilla. The notes are nutmeg, black pepper, lemongrass, rose, patchouli, orris, vanilla, amber, and opopanax. It's soft, sweet, spicy, and masculine. Next up is fruity jasmine, which I've owned before, but I used it all, so I got it again because I kind of missed it. The notes are mandarin, green leaves, sweet pea, jasmine, lang lang, champaca, peach, sandalwood, plum, and musk. It smells just like what it's inspired by, and it's perfect for wintertime. Next up is another repurchase. This one is Alan's top favorite. He went through a whole bottle of it within a month or so. Literally, he is obsessed with this one. It is the Ambery Lavender. The notes are lavender, bergamot, grapefruit, tarragon, guaiac wood, neroli, benzoin, cedarwood, and tonka bean. It's soft and lightly sweet, and it smells so good. This is my scent choice of the day, the fruity jasmine. Like I said, it smells just like the Christian Dior J'adore. I'm sorry, but it smells amazing. Woo! It smells so So good. So don't forget to check out their Black Friday sale. It's an amazing sale going on right now. I will remind you about it again so you can take advantage of a great deal. The link will be down below so you can check it out. If you like the Dior J'adore, this one is fabulous. But you know I love all of my dossiers. So yeah, check them out. I'll have them linked down below. Take advantage of the sale before it ends. Alright, so get ready to see the cutest and coolest bird feeder ever. It's not just a regular bird feeder, it's a cool bird feeder, and this one is actually a smart bird feeder. It comes equipped with an internal battery that can be charged, but also comes with the equipment for solar power. It comes with everything you need to set it up wherever you like, and also cute accessories. It has a smart camera that connects to an app on your phone, which provides a 24-hour live feed. The camera also is AI and can identify bird species. You can take pictures and videos while it's turned on. Not only is it a great bird watcher and feeder, it also works as a really good security camera in case you need one. You'll see why in just a bit. It was very easy to put together and set up and charged pretty quickly. I've actually had it up and running for 2 days now without the solar panel, and the battery is still going strong. It also has a two-way speaker so you can hear any sounds through the app on your phone, but you can also talk through it as well. It also has a light option which can be turned on and off. It features a 160-degree wide-angle lens so you can see a large amount of area. The camera is high quality and it's HD. I'm very impressed with the quality of the camera on this. It's super easy to use, easy to set up and connect, very cute, and it works so good. The link to this product will be down in the description of this video. I definitely recommend checking it out for yourself or for a gift with Christmas right around the corner. I think anyone would love this and find it very entertaining and useful. So I got this de-shedder for the girls from Amazon. I seen another chick on Instagram using it on her dog, and I had to buy it and try it, and it was on sale for like $5 and change and free shipping. Kiki was the first victim, and I know it looks like I'm being rough on her, but I'm not really. And besides, Kiki doesn't play around, so if she didn't like it, she would have ran. But as you can see, she's enjoying this. The product works way too good. There was hair flying everywhere. It did a great job on de-shedding all of that excess hair on the girls.
And on it goes, round and round the rodeo, breathing out air for a minute.
The next victim is Cookie, and again, you can see she is enjoying this. I think they were feeling pretty good about themselves by the time I was done because they started walking around like they was some kind of queens or something.
Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on.
By the way, check out my outfit I'm wearing. It's all black. And I'm very impressed with it because I was wearing this while I was using that tool on all 3 of the cats, and there is no cat hair on me at all. The pants are from Halara and the shirt is from Amazon.
Listening to me crime to get a little lost in everybody's business. Why don't we all come?
Okay, so now I'm taking all of my Halloween decor down because the apartment people said I had to, because they said Halloween is over and it's got to go. So I'm taking it all down, even though I really didn't want to. I was still enjoying it out here, but it's all good. And then after that, we're going to be setting up our bird feeder out here, and it turned out so perfect.
Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beach sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on.
For dinner, we had leftover spaghetti, and this video is over. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you like my channel, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.